CHS is hiring. CHS, or Community Health Systems, is looking for a talented denials coordinator to join their team remotely. This role is a perfect opportunity for anyone passionate about healthcare, eager to make a difference, and loves solving problems that really matter. As a denials coordinator, you'll be tackling assigned denials and appeals claims by communicating across departments to pinpoint trends, resolve issues, and keep the system running smoothly. It's a role that not only lets you grow your skills in healthcare, but also lets you contribute directly to the mission of helping people get well and live healthier lives. Plus, you get to be part of a company that prioritizes safe, quality healthcare and builds enduring relationships with patients. Now, if you're as excited about this opportunity as I am, take a moment to support this channel. Please like, share, and subscribe because it really means a lot. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any updates or job listings. We're always sharing exciting opportunities that could be perfect for you or someone you know. Let's get back to the job itself. This denials coordinator role isn't just a title. It's about having the responsibility to manage denial logs, attend important meetings, communicate effectively across departments, and maintain detailed records of all denial and appeal activities. You'll need to review and analyze denial trends, stay updated on payer guidelines, and handle accounts in systems like C360. It's a full-time remote role that lets you handle crucial tasks from wherever you are. Imagine being able to make a meaningful impact in healthcare while enjoying the flexibility of remote work. What's even better is that CHS isn't just another healthcare provider. It's one of the nation's leading networks, with hospitals and facilities across 15 states. Working here means being part of a community that truly values its employees. You're not just getting a job, you're joining a team that respects and values you, and where your professional growth is genuinely encouraged. CHS offers a comprehensive benefits package, which includes health insurance, flexible scheduling, a 401k, and other elective benefits that support you and your family. You'll have the tools you need, from Outlook and Microsoft Office to specialized systems like C360. It's all about making sure you're empowered and set up for success. To do well in this role, you'll need a high school diploma or equivalent and at least a year's experience in a healthcare setting. If you have knowledge of the revenue cycle, that's a plus. This job calls for someone who knows their way around denials and appeals processes, understands contracts and payer policies, and can work independently to meet deadlines. Strong communication skills, both written and verbal, are a must. CHS is looking for someone who not only works well with others, but can also take initiative and ensure everything is done efficiently and effectively. So, if this sounds like the kind of opportunity you've been waiting for, check out the link in the description box to apply. It could be the start of a fantastic new chapter in your career. And while you're at it, explore our other videos and our website for more exciting remote job listings. We're always here to help you find the right fit. Thank you for watching and good luck. Your dream job could be just a click away.